110 onwards. Sarah, read 110.
Just a second, sir. My PDF is still opening.
Okay.
Yes, sir. The gravitational field due to the two bodies of masses 900 kg and 1600 kg placed at distance 10 meter is 0. Then the corresponding distance of the point from the larger mass is.
If intensity at some point due to mass 900 and 1600 placed at distance of 10 meters 0, then what is the distance from which mass?
The larger mass,
Larger.
1600 kg.
So if I call this as R, then this will be 10 minus R.
Yes, sir.
So from larger mass, we want answer to be 0. So this is intensity E1. This is E2. Now at point P, if intensity is 0, then magnitude of E1 should be E2. Then only it can be 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So G M1 upon R1 square is G M2 upon R2 square.
Yes, sir.
M1 900, R1 10 minus R, M2 1600, R2 will be R. What is square root of 9? Is it 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
16, 4. Taking square root, 16 is 4, huh? So if I
Yes, sir.
cross multiply, 3R is 40 minus 4R. 7R is 40. So R is 40 by 7 meter, where intensity will be 0. 40 by 7, option A.
Done, sir.
Next. 109. A body is projected with velocity 3 upon 4 times that of escape from the surface of Earth. Height reached will be how much if R is the radius of it? Is it equal to escape or greater than escape or less than escape?
Are equal to escape.
This is equal to escape. How can you say that?
No, sir. Less than.
हाँ अभी equal to escape तो equal to होना चाहिए ना 3/4 कैसा होगा?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Less than escape है ना?
Yes, sir.
Less than escape. अगर less than escape है तो किधर तो height जाके रुकेगा ना? H equal to NR पे.
Yes, sir.
So our formula is what? N upon N plus 1 mgr equal to half m velocity of projected square, and we can cancel. So n upon n plus 1 dr equal to half 3 by 4 escape the whole square. N upon n plus 1 gr is 1 upon 2 9 by 16 ve square. So n upon n plus 1 gr is half into 9 by 16 2 times vn by r. 2 to cancel. So n upon n plus 1 gr is 9 by 16 r square v upon r. N upon n plus 1 gr is 9 by 16 dr cancel. So cross multiplying 16n is 9n plus 9. So 7n equal to 9. N equal to 9 by 7. So h equal to 9 by 7 r. H 9 by 7 r. So option B.
Yes, sir.
108. You all have tried the sums?
Yes, sir.
Got the answers?
No, sir.
ठीक है 108 का आया कुछ आंसर? A body is
Mm.
projected from the surface of earth with velocity equal to half the escape. Have you
नहीं,
tried?
sir.
Now will you try? Same as 109, just try it.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the height attained? Just try.
Yes, sir.
Okay, same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. One zero seven. Similar type. Same sum was asked in last year's exam. That is 2020. Same sum. 107. A body is projected up from the surface of Earth with velocity m times v. So इसके पहले क्या था? हाफ v, 3/4 v. अभी बोल रहे m times v, m is less than 1. Again v, p then less than sk.
Yes, sir.
R is radius of Earth from the find the maximum distance from center. Now they want not h but r. R is capital R plus h. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So let h equal to nr. Then we will add r to that up to get the answer. What is our start? N upon n plus 1. Mass is mgr equals to half m velocity of projection square. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
m I can cancel. N upon n plus 1 gr equal to half. This m is not mass, huh? It is multiplier. M times ve the whole square. Okay. Any
Yes, sir.
doubt? Just remember, m is not mass, m is multiplier. So half m square ve square n upon n plus 1 gr half m square. This is 2 times gm by r. Now gm by r is gr. अभी तक तो आ गया ना idea.
Yes, sir.
This gm by r is nothing but r square g upon r, which is rg. I can cancel, no? So n
Yes.
upon n plus 1 is m square by 2. Is only m square. Okay. Now I'm just
Yes.
separating out n from this. So n equals to m square n plus m square. So it will become n minus m square n is m square. N common. 1 minus m square is m square. So n is m square upon 1 minus m square. Clear till this?
Yes, sir.
Copy till this, then we'll find r.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Next 106. This one can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
106. Masses the masses and radii of Earth and Moon are Earth masses and radii of Earth and Moon are M1, R1, M2, R2. Their centers are at distance d apart. Centers are at distance d apart. The minimum speed with which a particle of mass small m, mass of Earth, mass of Moon, radius of Earth, radius of Moon, a particle of mass m, is projected from point midway. Midway means d by 2, d by 2. Midway between the two centers so as to escape to infinity. So that this goes to infinity. What should be the minimum speed? Okay, velocity of projection you want. So binding energy of mass m, binding energy of mass small m due to Earth and Moon should become kinetic energy of projection. Then only it will escape.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So binding energy due to Earth plus binding energy due to Moon should be half m velocity of projection square, escape square. Have you followed this much?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
What is formula for binding energy? G into m1, that means mass of that body, into m upon 2 times distance or only distance?
Sir, 2 times.
नहीं, रेस्ट पे होगा तो ओनली डिस्टेंस आता है ना.
Yes, sir.
yes.
It's in rest.
So G दूसरे वाले का m to m distance d by 2 is half m velocity of escape square. चाहिए तो m throughout you cancel, 2 goes up, so 2 times G m1 by d plus 2 times G m2 by d equal to half VE square. Therefore 2 to the 4 cross multiplying 4 upon d into G common, m1 plus m2 equal to VE square. So taking square root, let us check how which format they have given. Okay, 4 ka square root is 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
is G by 2 m1 plus m2 root equals to VE. So 2 times G by D m1 plus m2 root. Is it option B? Check. Is it looking similar to B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct.
Done, sir.
Okay. 105. The period of revolution of an Earth satellite close to the surface of Earth. Close to the surface of Earth. Close to the surface of Earth means R1 is R plus H, which is approximately R, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. The period of another satellite in an orbit at a distance of 4 times the radius. 4 times the radius from the surface will be. T square is proportional to R cube. So
Yes, sir.
T1 upon T2 square will be R1 upon R2 cube is the formula. 90 upon T2 square is R upon 4R the whole cube. So 90 upon T2 square 1 upon 64. 90 upon T2 is 1 upon 8. So T2 will be 9 at the 720 minutes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
720 minutes. Then
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
hello. Yeah. हाँ बोलो बोलो. यस कहाँ रहेगा? हाँ चलेगा ना, चलेगा. 6 बजे अपने को आना है. आप कैसे आ रहे हो? ट्रेन से आ रहे हो? एशियन पेंट का स्टॉप उतर जाना, उसके एग्जैक्टली सामने मयूर स्टेशन. हाँ थैंक यू. श्योर. Shall I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For 104 there is special formula which you have to remember. A uniform ring of mass m. This is ring. Its mass is given small m. Is lying at a distance of root 3a from the center of sphere of mass m, just over the sphere, where a is the radius. Root 3a over the sphere, from the center of sphere, a is the radius of sphere, and sphere's mass is m. Find gravitational force. Gravitational force. See, whenever masses are not point mass, but other than that, then to get gravitational force, what is formula for intensity? Is it force acting on the neighboring mass.
Yes, sir.
So I will find intensity of this. मतलब इसका intensity निकालोगे तो भी चलेगा. Then mass m से multiply. So if I get intensity, this is point at the center. ये वाला mass उसका axis पे है ना ring का.
Yes, sir.
So intensity of at any point on the axis of ring का formula use करता हूँ. Divided by capital M. Intensity at any point on axis of ring is given by E equals. Draw diagram and write this much. So, हाँ सर, हाँ लेक्चर में भूल गया कल मैं स्टोर करता हूँ सर, अभी लेक्चर के बाद आपको कॉल करता हूँ. Written this much written.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Formula for intensity is G. Suppose this distance is D into mass of ring G M upon, in place of R square it will be D upon R square plus D square raised to 3 by 2. This is the formula.
Okay, sir.
Now G M, our D is root 3a. D means distance root 3a.
Yes.
R square दिया है क्या उसका रेडियस, एक सेकंड स्क्वायर करोगे से d mass m like a distance of a. हाँ, a is the radius of ring as well as sphere both. तो रिंग का रेडियस a स्क्वायर प्लस d is root 3 स्क्वायर क्या आएगा 3a स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. d square means root 3a square, it will become 3 by 2. So root 3 gma upon 4a square raised to 3 by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Copy this one, then I'm simplifying.
Yes, sir.
G mm root 3 8a square, option B. Root 3 G mm upon 8a square, option B. Hello? 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 Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next one. 103. 4 particles, each of mass capital M, move along circle of radius R under the action of their mutual attraction. Means what? These are 4 masses. They are moving in a circle of radius R. So it will become as good as circumcircle of square under gravitational influence of each other, and radius is R. So if I take side as A, then can I say root 2 times diagonal, root 2 times side is equals to diagonal, which is 2R.
Yes, sir.
See, root 2A is diagonal. Diagonal means here 2R.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Answer is in R, so I'm finding side and R correlation. Here I'm writing. Diagonal is root 2 times side. So 2 times R is root 2 times A. A will be 2R upon root 2. A equals to root 2R. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, first mass, second mass, third mass, fourth mass. Net force I can find at any one vertex.
Yes, sir.
That net force due to gravitational influence of each other is providing necessary centripetal force.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, अभी net force निकालते हैं on fourth. So this will be attracted force acting on 4 due to 1, 4 due to 2, 4 due to 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
4 F1 and these two, are they equal? ये 1 4 3 4 equal है ना?
Yes, sir.
So resultant of these two, or resultant of 4 F1 F4 3, these two equals to root 2 times anyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So net force F, can I say root 2 times force acting on 4 due to 1 plus 4 due to 2. So root 2 G M M upon A square plus G M upon root 2 into side A the whole square. We want answer in R. Afterwards, A will write root 2R. F equal to G MM upon A square common inside root 2 plus 1 upon 2. That is F is GMM upon A square 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2. This much you have followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just copy this. This force will equate with mv square by r.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So v square we are getting gm 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 4r. So v is root of g m r 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 4, option D. Next date of your exam you all have got?
Just a second, sir.
So they have shared us the practical like schedule of the
Practical nahi, theory wala?
so theory no practical.
Okay. Theory exam they have not yet shared?
No, so this one, they are saying that practicals like online lab and all.
Mm.
So
Maybe,
for us, they said it will start on 7th February.
Final exam?
Yes, sir, but they might extend the dates
No,
because first
final
term
exam or
exam be late
one more
start हुआ
unit
था.
test will be there na in between.
Sorry,
Direct
sir.
final now, no more unit test.
So unit test हो गया sir. Work power energy का हुआ था.
एक ही chapter.
हाँ, yeah, that's it, sir.
So now final exam they are telling on 7th February.
Yes, sir.
Acha, acha. But I don't think it will be possible for them to complete the portion by 7th.
Yes, sir. They'll probably extend the dates.
This 7th Feb was last to last year. Means if everything is regulating properly.
Yes, sir. They had given this at the start of the year, sir, which is
Oh,
why.
acha,
Yeah.
acha. So I think by 1 month it will extend.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
and these are so experiments.
You are not audible, Tanmay. Hello? Completed 103,
Yes, sir.
102. Which of the following graph will show the variation of acceleration due to gravity g with depth? With depth. This is formula for acceleration due to gravity with depth.
Yes, sir.
So,
So this is g minus g d by r. Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is taken along y-axis. Distance is taken along x-axis. So this will be m. This will become y equal to minus mx plus c. So slope is
Yes, sir.
negative and y-intercept positive. Where it is? Slope negative, y-intercept positive. Just check.
B, sir.
B option, correct. D they have taken as H. Option D. Done?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
101. Two particles of mass m go around a circle of radius r under the action of their mutual gravitational attraction. Two particles are going in a circle of radius r under gravitational influence of each other. What is the speed of each particle? So first I will find what is net force. Net force between two mass is g mm upon distance 2r the whole square. This will provide necessary centripetal force mv square by r equals to g m upon 4r square. 1 m cancel, 1 r cancel. So v equals to root of gm by 4r. So v equals to 1 upon 2 root of gm by r. Check. 1 upon 2 root of gm by r, option C.
That's
100. Will you try 100 wala?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah, try. At what height above the Earth's surface G at height will be half its value on the surface? Done?
Just a second, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
90. You have done till 85, you are saying?
Sir, we've done in 83 till 83 in class. I've done till 93 as homework.
Okay. So remaining all, now whatever we are doing, we'll be doing remaining all. I will give you the solution so that you can cross check. Next lecture, I will start with sound chapter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
And homework already I have posted that homework what you have to practice.
Yes, sir.
At by what percentage the energy of satellite has increased to shift it from an orbit of radius r1 equal to r to another orbit of radius r2 equal to 3 by 2r. What is energy formula? Minus of g mm upon 2r.
Yes, sir.
So can I say first energy upon second energy will be equals to r2 by r1? So
Yes,
E1
sir.
upon E2 will be equals to कितना आ जाएगा 3 by 2r upon r ना. That means E2 is 2/3 by E1. देखो एक्चुअली लग रहा है ये डिक्रीज बट देयर विल बी इंक्रीज बिकॉज नेगेटिव आ गया ना वो ये रेशियो में
Yes,
कैंसिल
sir.
हो गया. तो परसेंटेज इंक्रीज विल बी 1 minus 2 by 3 into 100, that is 1 by 3 into 100, 33.33%. Right. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
98. What additional velocity must be given? Additional means extra, na? To a satellite
Yes, sir.
orbiting around the radius r to become free. So additional velocity equals to escape minus critical what it has. So root of 2 times Vc minus Vc, that is Vc into root 2 minus 1. Vc means root of Gm by R into root 2 minus 1. Option A.
That's
27. Ratio of kinetic energy required to be given to the satellite from Earth's gravitational field to the kinetic energy required so that it moves. So kinetic energy to escape upon kinetic energy to rotate will be half mve square plus half mvc square. I hope you followed.
Yes, sir.
So it is root 2 times vc the whole square upon vc square. 2 times vc square upon vc square. 2:1. Ratio is 2:1 means B. Done.
Yes, sir.
96 you all try.
Okay, sir.
Height is given r by 5. Then what is potential energy? N upon n plus 1 wala formula. Try. N upon n plus 1 mgr is increase in potential energy. So n is how much? H is r by 5. So H is r by 5 means n is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 1 mgr. So it is 1 by 5, 6 upon 5 mgr. 5 5 cancel. 1 upon 6 mgr. R is 5h. So it is 5 by 6 mgh since h is r by 5. 5 by 6 mgh of C. Done.
Almost, sir. Just a Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. We'll stop. Remaining I will send you the solution. You solve on your own, then check whether you have done right.